Menteri Ketenat Sports jangka Sorkar Jela ba Wailat Meghalaya ulapan pau bakum ke Jela kidan ke jingkermen bakin yo ban Pyndonkam ya ka Mawkhanu Football Stadium haka Sngi Pyrda jangka National Games ladapet na ka jingat stat jangka kam mentah. Da ka papan pau bakate ke stadium ka bahet tam haka Jela kam syam ladon haka kerteng kum ka we ne ki jakaya lekai haka ne ka National Games hendri ula ong pat bakum ketenat kidan ke jingkermen ba imat kin yo ban Pyrda ya kane ka game hakate ka stadium kat kum ke jinge thu jong u ka jing tre ka yat stat bah menta bat kane kla penlong ye ka sorkar bandon ka jingkerman ka bakrau bah
that like to see that at least if because right now also if you go there the speed is very it's very fast, the progress is very good, and then that's why we are now starting to have a hope that with this progress we might be able to have the opening ceremony there, but it won't be completed as such, but the structure, and we can use the inside of the ground. So that's why we are having that ambition. Otherwise it was not a part of the national game.